Dreamville walking tour. So from the hotel package entrance, we came in through this way, through here, and we just walked in. So to the left is the food. This is the gathering stage.
All right, check, we're moving forward. She made her main stage debut summertime in Belgium. My brothers and sisters from all around the world, Dreamville, please welcome Brazil's dangerous and very special Carola!
So this is just the stage and just food and drinks up here. Banheiros. Where I got my tattoo! We got a barber shop, beauty shop.
What is that? I hope there's no mirrors.
So we walked into the merch tent and then let's walk this up. I'm filming a video.
Hey, Mexico!
We get a glimpse of the camping. Absolutely not. I'm bringing my flag tomorrow. So in the center, there's just a lot of places to sit, like covered areas. Very nice. Okay, so this is gonna be, this was not here day one. Remember the festival's canceled today, so we're back in Dreamville. This is gonna be another stage. The easy tent entrance. So this is where the tents are already pre-set up. So it looks like there's only two camping options, easy tent and then magnificent greens. I'm bringing mine tomorrow, but it's not going to be on a flagpole. It's going to be wrapped around my neck.
This is the reason why they talk shit.
Drinks, food trucks, like breakfast experience. I guess this is where the campers get their breakfast. More food trucks. Okay.
We went to it yesterday. It was all broken. We're like, fuck it, let's go. Are you trying like a full walkthrough?
I just filmed like a little venue tour, everything, everywhere I go. I didn't think I was going to get this, but since we're here during daytime, might as well. You see that it's cold. Everybody's bundled up. It smells good as fuck over here. Alright, so we're gonna walk into camp because there's no rules. So we're in Magnificent Greens. If you recall, this is exactly what it looked like for me and Alyssa in Belgium last year. Severe. These poor people camping. At least it's not raining right now, but it's cold. How are they supposed to live, laugh, love in these conditions? Oh, there's something going on over there. That's what we did. Oh, there's like a little parade.
Oh, cute. They did that in.
Perfect timing. You guys.
There's not a check-in with me. Usually you have to have a check-in with somebody.
got lockers to the left. They should have cut the grass. I don't know if you can tell like how long it is. I guess you can't really see. It's up to my calves. Certain areas.
Tudo bem?